guys, it's Andy and I'm here to bring you all things mundane and makeup related. If that is your vibe, I would love it if you would subscribe to be part of my little slice of the internet. And today I'm bringing you a Throwback Thursday to create this look with the Violet Voss Sugar Crystals palette. So if you want to see the look that we create, how we get here, then let's go ahead and just jump on into it. Alright, we're zoomed in a little bit because we're doing a get ready with me for the Violet Voss Sugar Crystals, which looks like this. So we have 6 mattes, 12 shimmers. We have slightly darker, slightly lighter. So yeah, I did already roll. I did roll an extra number at the end and we're not using it, just so you're aware. We're stopping at 5. I was hoping to get another matte because we only got 1 matte, but so in order, I'll have the screen recording going, but we first got number 12, so 6, and that is Grape, which is this beautiful shade here. That is very pretty. Then we got shade number 16, so 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That's Limeade. This nice green. So we have that. Then we got number 9, so 6, 7, 8, 9. We got Lemon Drop, which is this yellow. So I think that's the difference. We have more opaque shimmers and more like ethereal topper shades. Then we got number 15, so 6, 12, 13, 14, 15. That was Buttercream, which is yellow, but the more opaque yellow. I feel like a lot of these are going to look so similar on the lid, but we'll see. Then we got 13, which is Cotton Candy, which is this beautiful pink. Like, the only one that really stands out to me is Grape. And then last but not least, we got our matte, which is shade number 5. And we got Blue Raz, which in my opinion doesn't go with it at all. But you know, it's fine. Do I have any single shadows that would make these pop a little more? I mean, do we want to lean more into the blue-green? Or do we want to go darker? With a darker base into the blue purple. I feel like the green would go better, but I feel like this is so light. We might as well just use these. I'm just trying to think of if I put a Super Shock down as a base, maybe it would help turn some of this. We'll see. I might use this one. This is the shade Bay. But first things first, we're going to prime our eyes with my Julep Shadow Stick. Of course. And get that on there. And then we're just going to go hog wild with that blue matte, to be wholesale honest with you. So we had a bunch of people move in. 1, 2, 3, 4 apartments. People moved in like all in the same weekend. It was really wild. We've met 2 of them. We're not close with our neighbors, to be honest with you. The ones we were close with moved away. So unfortunate. Oh, what kind of brush do I want to go in with? You know what? I honestly think this one might do the trick. I'm going to do this because I'm going to start with this side of the brush and then we'll blend it out with the fluffy side. God, my hairs. This is the longest my hair has been in years. Well, I wouldn't say the longest. I usually let it get to about this length, but like This is the longest I've kept it this long. And I'm really enjoying it, to be honest. Okay, it's a pretty blue. It's doing what blue does. Blue things. I'm so mad we only got one matte shade. I would have so much preferred two. Two mattes and 4 shimmers. I would have been a-okay with that. 1 matte, 5 shimmers. Now I feel like I don't know what to do with myself. Excuse me. Soda makes me burp. Like it's nobody's business. Okay. It's a patchy blue. Like, I don't know if you guys can see, like, right here in the center is patchy. To be fair, I have no idea how old this palette is. It was decluttered to me because I think that it's beautiful. And friend knew that I love Violet Voss formula. So, that's what we're going to sit with. Do I want to add... Let me swatch this. So this is the shade Bay. Ooh, that could add a little bit of depth. Let me see. If we just use that as like our outer corner. Just so we have some depth. Just a little bit. And we just hit pan on the Super Shock, so that's nice. Oh, I think that's pretty. And I'm going to put... So here's what I'm thinking. I'm going to put cotton candy right next to it. Oh my god. I didn't put down glitter glue. Well, it's a good thing Super Shocks don't need it. How I forgot to put down glitter glue is beyond me. I honestly might go back into the Super Shock. Just on the edges of where that glitter glue is. Yeah. Nice, nice, nice. I can't believe I forgot it. That's on me. But so, as I was saying, cotton candy. We're going to put right here. Bless you, Blazemere. And then I'm going to transition cotton candy into grape. Grape is so pretty. I'm losing cotton candy a little bit. Okay, okay. And then I'm going to take, so it went 12, 16, 9, 6, 79. That's lemon drop. Take a little bit of lemon drop. Right there. Okay, okay. And we still have buttercream and limeade. Let me see. Can I do those on the lower lash line? That looks awful. We love to see it. Well, because I want limeade on my inner corner. Like my very inner corner. Then what am I doing with buttercream? Because I like that. I like how that looks. Let me put a little bit of blue raz. What, honey? Can I help you? Do you want picked up? Nope. Okay. Let me see. Can I take buttercream on a different brush and put it right there? Yeah, that works. You can only barely see it, but it is there. So, but I think that turned out cute. It's very like wispy cotton candy clouds. I'm gonna go finish my look, do all the other accoutrements, and I will be right back. All right, we are back to talk about the Violet Voss Sugar Crystals palette. I almost said Crystal Sugars palette. You know, same thing. I think the look overall is cute. Like I said, I wish you would have gotten one more matte, but overall, it came together. Everything else on my face is always in the description box, just because I don't want to bore you guys with the details there. First, we can talk about, not the palette, but I'm so happy that I hit pan on this. That was my goal for the project this is in. It doesn't have a scent, but I will most likely be decluttering this now that I hit my goal, because this is my oldest Super Shock now, and with all of mine that have gone bad, it's really difficult for me to use this one just because of how dark it is. I just don't reach for super dark shimmers, but it is really pretty, so I'm very happy I hit pan. But to talk about the actual palette, so I will say, the matte, I wish I would have gotten more than one so that I could because I feel like I need to use this palette one more time, but the matte was thick and patchy. And the shimmers, though they're fine, they're just like regular metallics. And though I think the look came out nicely, I feel like I have these colors, shimmer-wise, I have these colors in better, more interesting formulas, because this is an older palette for Violet Voss to begin with, but the mattes, I also have a rainbow of mattes in other palettes that I just think are also in a better formula. So though I think the look turned out pretty, this is going to be, I think this is 2 weeks in a row of a Throwback Thursday that we're decluttering the palette, which is wild. It's not what I want to do, and I really don't want to declutter Violet Voss palettes, but it's just the formula. This is an older palette, and it's thick, and it's just not something that, even though it's cute, I'm going to find myself reaching for. I just know that. So I am going to go ahead and declutter this guy, but let me know, is this a palette that you have in your collection, that you reach for, that you love, that you didn't love and decluttered? What do you think of Violet Voss in general? I'd love to know any of your thoughts, questions, comments, concerns down below. Otherwise, I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.